My name is Sagar Koradia, and I'm currently working as a project design engineer in Power System Division at Schneider Electric.
I'm Bianca, and I'm a project manager in Digital Power Application Center in Schneider Electric.
One of the main reasons that I became a chartered engineer is because the chartered engineering credential is one of the topmost technical credential that an engineering professional can get in Australia. And the second reason is if I'm a chartered engineer, it comes with a sense of accountability and responsibility, which helps me to design safe and sustainable electrical solutions, whether it can be safe and sustainable medium voltage switch gear, low voltage switch gear, or high voltage kiosk that we generally use in our day-to-day life, whether it can be low voltage substation or a high voltage substation.
I always wanted to be a chartered engineer because it is one of the highest levels of engineering professional in Australia and also recognized internationally. So getting that credential would give you the highest standards and professionalism within the engineering industry. So I always wanted to be a chartered, to be a shining star in engineering world.
Schneider Electric supported me during this chartered engineering credential process by having a partnership with Engineers Australia via EWC scheme, which is Engineering Workforce Credential Program. By doing this specifically, it helped to reduce the standard timeline from 6 months to 3 weeks in total from the start to the end of the chartered engineering certification. So received the support and guidance from my senior colleagues and a supervisor in order to prepare the engineering evidences against 16 competencies in order to become a chartered professional engineer.
The road to getting chartered certificate credential is a very lengthy road, and it is, that you have to do a lot of submissions and logging the hours, etc. Schneider Electric provided this partnership with Engineers Australia to make it easy for the engineers to go through this path. So as if you're crossing a bridge rather than walking on the stones. So it was really pleasant pathway towards getting the credentials, although you still have to provide all the evidences and your competencies. It's just making it easier to get there. And that was super amazing from Schneider Electric to provide that support to me and the engineers.
Chartered engineering credential is a symbol of a certain level of skills, experience, and talent. This will help me to design a more safe and sustainable solution in order to achieve Schneider Electric's net zero sustainable goals by 2040. If I talk about client's perspective, so client will help with my chartered engineering skill in such a way that it will help them to reduce the safety related issues. It will help them to reduce the risks, and it will also save a lot of money for our client, which will help them to invest those money somewhere else in order to make our community more safer, sustainable, and provide a better life to our citizens.
Well, chartered engineering signifies excellence, safety, and ethics. And me, as a chartered engineer, play a pivotal role in advancing the technology, improving the quality of life, and having positive impact on the society, the community, customers, and Schneider Electric. So with this credential, I am even making this life is on the Schneider shinier and with more light.